So I went to Dollar Tree and found some new Barbie clothes. I got a gold evening gown and I got a pink and lavender evening gown. And this says Tokyo 2020 for the Olympics. I'm very surprised. It has the cutest little guy on it, a little purse, and a watch. So I'm going to open these. And I got this dress. This is a real Barbie dress. I got it at Walmart. And I think they come with these hangers for the dress, which is really cool. So let me open this one up. So first we're going to start with this lavender sequin dress with the pink top. Now, it looks easy to open. Yep. Oh, the dress stayed in there. It's a very pretty dress. It's got a little, okay, it's Velcro in the back, and it's got this little bodice thing to hold it together. I might keep that. So, I'm going to try this on my Barbie in just a minute. So let's go to the next one. And the next one we'll open is the gold dress. So another easy open and pack. I might keep these plastic bags and put my dresses in them to keep them nice. This is the dress, and it velcros in the back. It's got a couple of strings hanging off of it, but I can cut those off. And it also has the little plastic body holder. So there's the gold one. And the last one is, this is actually a real Barbie dress. And it says Tokyo 2020 with the Olympic sign. I don't know who that is. Maybe it tells on the back. No, but it says Tokyo 2020, and it's definitely a real Barbie dress. So let's open this now. Okay, the little Tokyo Barbie dress has a slit on the side with the Tokyo emblem, and on the inside it has a real Barbie logo, and on the back it velcros. Very nice. Very nice. I love the little guy on here. The purse. Let's see if it opens. I like purses that open, but I don't think it does. It's just a regular purse. It's very heavy duty and high quality though. I like it a lot. And also, it came with a little yellow watch. So I'm going to go ahead and try these clothes on my Barbie. So it appears to have this little ziplock, like a baggie, which is nice, and I'll keep this to put my Barbie clothes in. I really like it. And it comes right out of the package. See, it's a Barbie label with a hanger. I am definitely happy with this. And so it comes with a purse and a dress and a headband. Let me get it out of there. Here is the first dress. It is not quite as fitted as a Barbie dress would be, as you can see in the top. I like the color. And I noticed that the Velcro doesn't stay on as good. Maybe if I tried on a Barbie that has a different shape, but that's what it looks like. And it's still pretty. It's not really good quality, I don't think. It doesn't fit right. I cut a lot of strings off of it too. Okay, the gold dress fits much better than the other one did, and it's very pretty. The back, although the Velcro doesn't latch as good as the Barbie clothes do, but I am happy with this one because it fits better. Okay, this is the real Barbie dress. This is the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, and I have to say it is excellent quality. It fits fantastic. The Velcro latches good. It came with a great purse. I don't have any green purses. The dress is beautiful. It fits wonderfully, and the yellow watch fits great. Show you the back of it. The Velcro fits, latches much better. And this is really a great dress. I'm happy with this one. For $1.25, a Barbie dress, that is a really good bargain there. And this is the real Barbie dress from Walmart, and it was $4.97, and it fits perfect. The Velcro in the back is awesome. It has a beautiful pattern on it. It's tropical. It came with this headband, which is really cool. I like it a lot. And it came with this nice purse. And what's nice about the purse is you can open it up and put flowers and stuff in it. You know, stuff that she likes. So, let's see if I can get it on her hand. This is her. So this is her with her new outfit. I wish that the purse would stay on, but it doesn't matter. So this was my Barbie haul. So I've got the one dress for $4.97 at Walmart with the purse and the headband. And at Dollar Tree, I got these three. Tokyo Olympics, which I love, a green purse and a yellow watch, and these two evening gowns. The gold one fits better than the other one, and they didn't come with shoes or any accessories. But I love everything. Now they just need to have a party. Okay, Barbie, she got a new grill. She's very excited. Okay, I have Kid Connection ice cream stand with all kinds of goodies in it. So I got this at the North Georgia Walmart in Woodstock, Georgia,